and I put.
Yeah. 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 Safety bolt, yeah.
And two. Now it's free. Now it's free, and they can move.
Ah. Yeah. So down it goes.
Bravo. Battery, I told you yesterday. Three
Yeah.
batteries, same.
Yep.
One for the engine and one for the IGM. Because they have different cycles. This is the inverter, 2000
Yeah.
watt.
Okay. Yeah.
If I want to, if I want to use the inverter,
Yeah.
and I have 220 volt now here,
Yeah.
and
And you can control it by remote. Yeah. Why am I not surprised to hear that?
and
Shower?
yeah, the shower.
And then your bathroom.
Adesso c'è partita l'aria condizionata.
Enough, you've even got AC. Yeah. So here's your fridge, microwave,
And also here this is the
television
cooker.
just around the corner, and they got a cooker.
Here this is the diesel cooker.
The Webasto. Yeah.
And here I have the induction portable. And this is the regolatore solare. Solar charger.
Oh, for the solar panels on the roof. Yeah.
I have 1 kilowatt in the roof.
Ah.
For the cabinet.
Oh, your clothing. Yeah.
This is a heating exchanger.
Heat exchanger.
So I can, for example, if outside there is 0 degree,
Yeah.
I can use in the warm of the engine and with pump of circulation.
Ah.
When I stop in the evening, inside here there is already 20 degree.
Heated by the engine. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. You can also get a shower attachment for an overland vehicle. It's plumbed into the radiator system, and as the water flows through, it basically exchanges the heat from the radiator system to the water that's going into the attachment. Do you know about this?
Yeah.
And then it heats up the shower water.
Yeah.
It's very clever, but the engine has to be running for it to work.
No,
Use the
so I
circulation.
warm this system,
Yeah.
and inside the boiler there is another exchanger that warm 40 liter of shower
Yeah. Yeah.
for the shower. And here this
Distributor.
Yeah, it's there. It's there. There.
Ah, that's the distributor.
Yeah, you see.
Okay. So that sends.
This is the return.
That's-
This is the return.
So that sends the water to all three radiators.
With I can here.
What does
I
that?
can use the
What does that do?
generator.
Generate. So at the moment you've got the solar panel on the roof. I can hear the engine,
So-
the generator.
Now it's the generator.
Yeah.
I can choose here.
Yeah. So the AC partly runs off the
But-
battery, and it also runs supplemented by the solar panel on the roof. Yeah.
Now I am skiing to the battery 80 ampere. Klima asked me 50, 60 ampere, but the solar panel, when I start to use the truck,
Yeah.
I produce already 447 kilowatt.
And then presumably as the day goes on and the sun gets more intense, you get more kilowatts. As the solar panel generates more power with more sun on it. So he's got a bike as well, and he's got various storage on the outside of it, as you would imagine. I think it's four-wheel drive. As you can see, I thought this truck was new, and it's actually 10 or 12 years old because he did it so thoroughly. He should stretch the chassis down to. Here's the generator. Okay. Oh, it must be in here. Okay. Yeah. He has designed this whole thing so bloody well. It's just not funny. Bloody impressive this is. Apparently it costs pretty close to 300 grand in euros.